Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to pin messages in iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your messages app and let's say I want to pin this message right here. I'll just simply tap and hold on it. Once it pops up like that, there will be a pin button on the menu right here. I'll just simply tap on that. And as you can see, it will be pinned at the very top, and let's say I want to pin this message also. I'll just do the exact same thing, and as you can see, it is right there. And if you want to unpin it, you just need to basically tap on the icon here at the top that you pinned earlier. Just tap and hold. Then there will be an unpin option right there, and simply tap on it to unpin it. I'll do the exact same to the other message. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.